For this side, how to connect exhaust fan. For example, this CO2 leader head. The outside there is a hole for the exhaust fan, and this is the exhaust fan. Will connect to 1.5 kilowatt exhaust fan. Because inside this fan there is two papers for connect this side, and this fan we also will the also two papers for the we will exchange to this one. There are two papers for connect here and here. This side will connect to 1.5 kilowatt exhaust fan. And for the machine body this side, there are two papers, two exhaust fan papers. We have two sides 750 watt to connect to this one and this one. Those two exhaust fans is used for this side two papers connection. Totally, this machine would use 4 exhaust fans. 4 fans is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fans.